You also facing the problem where the Microsoft account login window keeps crashing on Windows? Every time you try to sign in, the window closes, freezes, or just disappears. I was also facing the same issue, and it was really frustrating because I couldn't access my account or apps properly. This usually happens due to corrupted system files, outdated Windows updates, or a broken user profile. Sometimes antivirus or security settings block the login process, or cache credentials cause the window to crash repeatedly. Most solutions online are complicated. They tell you to edit the registry, create new profiles, or run long command line scripts, which is confusing and risky. I tried several of these, and many didn't even work. After testing myself, I found a simple trick that actually works. Resetting the Microsoft account credentials, repairing system files, and applying the latest Windows updates fixed it completely. After that, the login window works perfectly, and I can sign in without any crashes. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I fixed the Microsoft account login window crashing, comment down below. This is Rexisht.